What's going on, guys? School Guy 209 just share a vision or whatever you want to call me. And today, it's time. We're doing another reaction video, and this time it's gonna be to Diana Ankudinova. You Are Super, Blizzard, 15 years old, Moscow. Listen, she is something. Okay. It's hard to explain how good someone can be at this age, okay? It's hard. So, I'ma just, if you've never been, here or seen her, just know, you're in for a ride. Now, if you do know, then you know. And if you've ever seen one of my reactions, you know how I feel. But if not, hey, you're about to see, okay? I already know she's gonna kill it because it's Diana, and she is something out of this world at her age. Absolutely insane. Now, with that being said, I'm ready for this. Honestly, I'm actually excited. So let's just please get into Diana Ankudinova, Blizzard, 15 years old, Moscow. Let's just get into it. Let's go. Oh no. Just do it. Oh my.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Oh my gosh. You get so captivated watching someone like her, man. You get so lost in it, in that passion, in that soulful, passionate singing. That is insane. Absolutely insane. I don't know how she does it, and maybe we'll never know. But that's the beauty of it, right? Absolutely out of this world. You can never know how such a beautiful voice can continue to be like that. It is crazy. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Diana Ankudinova, she is something just different. She's special. Absolutely special and unique. What a beauty. Absolutely beautiful. I loved everything she did. the passion and the way that she just goes in and she just lets it all out. And she tries and shows you exactly what she's saying in the way that she is just releasing the... Oh, man, I love that. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. I might listen to that again. Well, you know, after this video, I might play it again real quick. So, just to let you guys know. Yo, but seriously, she is something that is out of this world, one of a kind. Now, with that being said, that song was 20 out of 10. Especially performed by her. Incredible. Now, with that being said, though, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. If you want more, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, till next time, guys. Peace.